It's like angkong. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and we are here yet again for another Halloween makeup look. And I know that this year we're probably not gonna have a lot of Halloween parties or whatever, but I thought like it should still be fun, you know, something to look forward to, something to dress up to. So this year I decided to go with something pretty safe, something that everyone can do at home without having to go out to buy costumes or anything. My Halloween makeup look this year would be transforming myself into an ABG, which is an Asian baby girl. Basically, they're characterized by cut crease, thick, nice, juicy lips, arched brows, something a little bit more baddie. It's more of like a girlier version of an Insta baddie. Personally, that's my take on it lah. So I actually did an ABG kind of look previously on my channel, but that one was really focusing more on like glowy skin, so I doused myself in highlighter. This time I decided not to do that, something a little bit more different, focusing more on the eyes, the entire outfit, the entire look, and I even brought some fake blood to make it Halloween themed. Hope this look turns out well. I even got the outfit ready and everything. So let's get started. Starting with primer, I'm using the Makeup Forever Step 1 primer, and I'm just priming my face, making sure it's smooth. And I'm using a glue stick. Yes, I'm gluing my brows because I want them to stick straight on so that I can conceal and then be able to change up the shape. So I see this very commonly used in drag queens, so I just decided to try it out myself. But it was really tough, and I sent the whole room into a room of laughter because they saw my face after that. But yeah, it's just a whole process of just like layering tons of glue and then concealer, glue and concealer. After which, I took a sponge and piled on the powder because I wanted to bake to make sure that I had a super flawless canvas, and also to make my under eyes stand out more. Then taking my Milani Soft and Sultry palette, I really think that this is a great eyeshadow palette for people looking for an affordable drugstore alternative. And I'm just carving on my brows. Honestly, I just wanted to make them a little bit more arched. Then priming my eyelids. So this step is very important, especially when you're using very strong eyeshadow colors. It makes your eyeshadow just pop, and I'm just cutting my crease over here, just taking a small little brush and a matte brown shade. Honestly, it's really up to you. You can choose the colors that you want, but I realized that most ABGs always tend to stick with the browns or like copper. Then to make sure that the crease is cut a little bit more defined, I'm applying concealer, the same concealer, the Nars one, and then very gently blending it out using a brush. I'm also taking the eyeshadow all the way to the bottom to balance my eyes out and make sure that you kind of retain that cat eye look by putting on some eyeliner. So I'm using M Cosmetics eyeliner, and of course not forgetting Falsies. Falsies are super important. I think it's like very necessary, and once you put the top, you want to balance it out with mascara at the bottom as well. So I'm just lining my lash band and making sure that they're not seen. And next up, I'm applying a little bit of glitter all across the eyelids, just to make them pop a little bit more. Next, taking my trusty old Fenty Beauty matchsticks for contour. I always bust this one out whenever I'm going for that very chiseled, very western, very tanned kind of look. This product is perfect because it's got a nice grip to it. You know, it's not too shifty, but at the same time it's very pigmented and it matches my skin tone very well. Then taking it and applying it on my lips as well because I want to make fuller lips. And this is a trick. If you want your lips to look a little bit fuller, you can shade it with contour, and then it will look like it's super pouty and super juicy. Blush time. So I'm using Orgasm X. This one has a little bit of shimmer and it has a very nice nudish color. I'm using this shade because I don't want to take too much attention away from the eyes and the lips. Top it off with some lip gloss and you are set! Alright, this is the makeup look done, and I'm gonna put on some fake blood, accessorize myself a little bit more, and apply some fake tattoos. Okay, so I got some fake tattoos. I don't know, where should I put it? Like, should I put it here? Should I just put here? Here? Alright, I've got some fake blood from Daiso. This was $2, so worth a shot. I'm just gonna go like here maybe, like 3 fingers. Does it look like blind exercise? Someone scratched me, you know?
Don't understand it. I went trick-or-treating and all I got was a bag full of rocks, too.
Alright guys, this is the end of the look. I tried my best with the blood, but I hope you guys are having a great Halloween, and I'll see you guys in my next one.